Hello and welcome to Lean Startup Framework. I hope you have got an idea about what is Agile Framework and how these all frameworks have evolved, and you will be getting more idea on how these frameworks have been formed and how these frameworks have been evolving in Agile implementation blueprint course. So that will be the best course I would suggest to deep dive into how these frameworks have formed. So in this course we are going to study Agile Lean Startup Framework. Lean is basically meant for waste removal or continuous improvement, and it was primarily practiced in manufacturing industry to remove waste by removing non-value adding activities from the manufacturing process. So these principles the software industry they have started applying in software development, and they have come up with an amalgamated model called Lean Startup. So Lean Startup Framework is meant for software development, and how we are going to remove waste from software development. The thing is, here in this diagram we can say that initially you will have few ideas with you. You are going to build a product with those small set of ideas, and you will be putting that product for usage by end user, and end users will use your product and they are going to give feedback like what they are expecting, what more they are expecting in your product, and you are going to measure and compare like what you have provided and what your end users are expecting. And then you are going to analyze that data, you are going to learn from it, and you will come up with more ideas by brainstorming on the data that you have analyzed. And you will again refine that product that is built, and you will again put that product for use by end user. So this cycle will go on until you come up with a product which meets the customers or the end users expectations. So here how we are removing waste, like we are not constructing an application or a portal in one go by putting all our own ideas. For example, 15 to 20 years back, we were not having many e-shopping portals. At that time, how development teams must have thought of building e-shopping portals. So they must have come up with few set of features, and they will make that portal online, and the end user who will be using that portal will give feedback, and they will come up with more and more ideas, and they will share their view on like what more they are expecting in that product. And that way the development team will gain an idea about what more they can develop in the product and what more functionality they can give to the end users, and that is how they are going to evolve the product. So this is how this developmental cycle is followed in Lean Startup Framework. And so Lean is basically waste removal, and here how we have removed waste is by not constructing a product with hundreds of ideas of our own and building a product and presenting it to customer which is not meeting customers expectations, isn't it? So we are coming up with a small minimal product in first place, and we are sharing it with the customer, or we are keeping it for use, and the customer is coming up with more and more ideas and feedback, and depending on that you are evolving your product and coming up with the product of the desired functionality. So by that you are not wasting time, money, effort and resources. So this is how you are removing waste from your work. So these are some of the practices, set of practices that you need to implement so as to adopt Agile Lean Startup Framework in your development project. I hope this is clear to you. you please write down in the comment box it is clear, so that I want to read all the feedbacks or the comments from all my students to improve my courses. It will really help me a lot. Yeah, we'll meet in the next video. Bye until then.